How to crypto stake on Binance. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can begin staking on the Binance platform. So let's get into it. Now, Binance is a simple to use exchange. It is one of the most popular exchanges out there, and it also allows you to stake your crypto. Now, before we get into how you can stake crypto, we need to know how to build our Binance account. So, how you are going to create your account, how you will actually stake money, and what does staking entail for a crypto user. So, first off, whenever you are going to create your Binance identification or Binance account, you will have to verify your identity. You can see you will have to verify your identity if you want to actually use the Binance platform to the fullest. So for that, you would need a picture of your ID card or your driver's license or a passport, and you would actually have to upload it in the identification section. So over here, you just have to upload your personal verification. This is just something that you need to do to be able to verify your identity on Binance. Now, once you have done that, this means your account creation is completed and you can begin staking on Binance and purchasing crypto and exchanging crypto. Now, how can you stake your cryptocurrency on Binance, and what are the different crypto combos you can exchange, and what does staking really mean? So, staking is a simple way for you to earn money with cryptocurrency without losing any of your crypto. And this basically means that you will be able to lock your money. And once you lock your money, you can choose however long you want to stake it for. And after that, you get a estimated yield. Now, this can be staking in the form of locked staking, as I was just talking about. And locked staking is holding funds for a specific period of time to get your interest. It's kind of like holding your money in a bank. Then you also have DeFi staking. So what is DeFi staking? This is going to be for providing money for smart contracts. You can see over here, this is going to be providing financial services to smart contracts, and this just provides higher annualized earnings for specific currencies. And this is slightly different, although for the person that is staking the money, you're going to feel like it's basically the same thing. However, it's slightly different because your money or your crypto is going to be used in different ways. Now, you can see when you go into the earn section of Binance, you can just click on staking over here. And once you click on staking over here, you will see multiple different tokens available. You can see you have so many different tokens. You can search for a particular token that you have in mind, and you can see the estimated APR. Now, this is something that you need to be aware of. The estimated APR is usually for the time period of over 1 year, and 1 year is a very, very, very long time. So you need to make sure that you are able to better understand that this estimated APR is not going to be something that you might be actually earning. And you can see if I select 120 days, the estimated APR is higher. The shorter amount of time you actually stake your crypto for, the lower the APR is. And just because it illustrates a certain APR doesn't mean that you will be getting the same yield as well. Now, if you want to begin staking in the locked or DeFi staking, simply just go into locked staking. You can search for a coin, or let's say we just want to stake the Woo coin. You can simply click on stake now over here, choose the amount of days you want to stake your crypto for. Then you're going to enter the minimum amount at least. So the minimum amount is something that will be shown over here. So it's 0.1 Woo, and you can just enter that, and then you can go on ahead and enter your amount. Then you have your locked account limitation, so the available quota, the personal quota, and you can also choose to turn on auto staking or not. Now, auto staking is a way to automatically restake a specific amount of tokens back into the staking immediately and just withdraw your profits. So let's say I stake my Woo for 30 days. After 30 days, if I turn on auto staking, what it will do is that it will restake the initial amount that I staked and just take out the yield APR to my Binance wallet. So that is one thing you can do as well. However, just turn it off when you're just getting started with staking. And after that, you can begin. Once you feel like, a certain token is going to be helpful in the long run for you, then you can stake it for a longer period periods of time. However, whenever you are looking to stake money for longer periods of time, make sure you understand that you will not be able to use that money for that amount of time, as well as the fact that you can also end up devaluing your money or your crypto token, because let's say the current price of Ethereum is $10, and after 120 days the price of Ethereum falls to $5, and even if I get a staking yield of 40%, I would still be in a 10% deficit, simply because of the fact that the token value depreciated, and that depreciated my overall investment in the token. However, if you do wait for certain times, often cryptocurrencies do bounce back, especially with larger currencies, so you don't have to worry about larger tokens. However, staking on smaller tokens for long periods of time can be a little more of a risk. Now you can see over here on the right side of your screen, you're going to see your staking date, the value date, the interest period, as well as the end of interest date, your redemption period, and redemption date. Now, the APR does not mean the actual or predicted returns in fiat currency, as well as the fact that lock staking will return the digital assets to your spot wallet after the period ends, or early redemptions, but the value of the digital assets fluctuates and is subjected to change. So you can see they have this little warning, as I was telling you guys, and that is something that I like to tell people whenever they are staking on a smaller token. It's just more risky, and sometimes it just might not be worth the risk. Now, once you have completed all that, you're just going to agree to the terms of service, and then you can click on continue. Now, in terms of the token options that you get with Binance staking, so in terms of the token options that you get with Binance staking, you do have quite a lot of tokens that you can go on ahead and choose from. You even have like Reef, you have tokens like Cake, Matic, Dot. So you have tokens like Reef, you have Cake, you have Matic, you have Dot. So there are quite a few well-known tokens available for locked staking. Now, DeFi staking is slightly more profitable. However, if you're looking for more profits, then you can go on ahead and go into Binance Earn and go into the Earn section and take a look at farming. Farming is rather similar to staking. However, farming has the option for you to leverage your money, and whenever you are leveraging money, that means you are introducing risk into your exchange. So I don't recommend it for people that are just starting out. However, if you have done some staking and you feel like you are able to manage the risk with Binance Earn and yield farming as well, then you can check those out as well. Now, if you're looking to stake Ethereum on Binance, so if you want to do Ethereum staking, then just go into the Earn section and click on ETH 2.0, and here you can actually start staking Ethereum. Currently, Ethereum is upgrading to 2.0, which is a updated version of the blockchain for Ethereum, so that is why it is segregated. I do think after some time this will be inculcated into the rest of Binance staking as well. So just click on stake now. Over here you can enter the amount and you will receive BETH in return after the redemption period, and the redemption period for this can vary to up to 2 years, so that is something to keep in mind whenever you are doing ETH staking on Binance. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.